Welcome to FX Street. Would encourage you to head on over to YouTube, hit that subscribe button, and you can follow Akash and I individually on Twitter, Akash at Mangeko, and myself at Just Analysis One. Taking a look here at Ripple, kind of just, we've just done Bitcoin and Ethereum's videos. Not sure which order we're uploading them today. I guess not we, somebody else does that. But there's really not a whole heck of a lot to look at here. It's stuck inside the cloud, has been for the last 2.5 days or so. Did show some signs of some really nice movement higher last Friday. And, we talked about Ripple on Friday, talked about how prices were trading near this Kumo twist, that price can move through it very quickly, which it did. For it to confirm an ideal bullish Ichimoku breakout, it needs to close at like 0.0825, and that would likely trigger the next bullish expansion phase. But until then, it's just in a big old chop zone. And a very strong bearish signal will generate if it closes at 69 points, 0.695, so 69.5 cents. That'll be very bearish. That'll likely, continue the selling pressure and push it down into that 50-cent zone. But if we can get above to 85.5 cents, then that will very easily hit the $1 range. The 105 level here, that's the weekly weekly Kijin. It's the weekly Senko Span B. It's the strongest level of support and resistance within the Ichimoku system. So upside potential before, we visit again on Friday. Upside is likely limited to $1.05, $1.07. And the downside risks, they're substantial, especially if it cracks below 68.5 cents. 68.5 cents. It's got a big trip downwards, but likely the downside before Friday is limited to that 65-cent level. But that's what I see. I'll just keep it short and sweet on Ripple. Pass it off to you, Akash.
Thank you, John. So for XRP is looking was looking quite bullish yesterday compared to Ethereum, because Ethereum is in a symmetrical triangle and it's breached lower, whereas XRP is in a bull flag of sorts and it's broken above the trend line. But I kind of expected Ripple to see at least. I wanted to see the continuation of the bullish momentum after the retest here on 14th March. But for now, we're sliding back lower. Considering what is going to happen with Bitcoin, I'm expecting the price to do something like this, retest the forward demand zone again before it actually moves higher. But for now, I want to say from a conservative outlook, the upside could be capped at 0.85. And if I want to kind of provide a little bit of leeway, then probably 0.91 is where the upside will be capped for XRP. I don't see it going beyond this, even if Bitcoin hits 42K. So that's my take on XRP. Upside capped at 0.91, and the downside, for now, I don't want to see it produce like a daily candlestick close below 0.68. And even if it does, it's not a lot of problem because we have this $12 demand zone here ranging from 0.454 to 0.63. So there's multiple supports for XRP. So I'm not really worried about the downside. And as for the upside, capped at 0.92. So that pretty much sums up analysis for XRP.
Thank you, Akash, and thank you everyone else for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.